Alright, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to change these lights right here to a bright LED blue. This is for Teslas. I got this from Abstract Ocean. There are other similar ones you'll find online and from other providers. I think these guys were relatively inexpensive compared to the other places I looked at. Then we're going to pop these out here, and I'm probably assuming it's similar to how you did the under door lights when I did these over here with the little Tesla logo, which you can barely make out right there. But yeah, pop those out, put these guys in, and let's see the difference. All right, here's the old unit here, and there's no wire extenders provided with this particular packet I got, so it's pretty short, but I think it'll still reach. So again, here's the comparison, the blue LED to that. And so we're going to go ahead and take the little wire that was left underneath. It's exactly like I did in the other video for the Tesla puddle lights, so just unplugging and plugging back in. All right, so there's the blue. You can see it's pretty bright compared to over here, just a little bit. So again, very short, little short wire underneath there. Just again, like I'll pop the card for the Tesla logo puddle lights and show you how to do that. So if you're able to get the little extenders, you might want to do that. It was a little bit difficult to kind of get it in, but now let's go ahead and do this one, and I'll turn off the garage light so it's really bright when we come back. All right, so I went ahead and used a flathead screwdriver here, and I just popped it out. So you'll see that there's just a tiny little wire there. Actually, this one's much longer than the other side, so I'll have much more to work with. On the other side's much shorter, but you just pop this little guy right here out and then plug it in. It's really just plug and play, really. So I don't know if you can see that, but you're just gonna pop right into there and just pop it out with a screwdriver or whatever. All right, so I went ahead and plugged it in. Again, pretty just, pop it out, pop it in. It's not really anything to it. And then you got to just put it back into this little spot there. It takes a little pressure to go ahead and shove it in. So I'll do that here when I get my two hands. Then we'll take a look and see what the color looks like and everything. All right, here's the finished product. Open it up. See that blue? Let's come in from the back here. See if maybe we get a better shot of it from being in the back of the car. So yeah, of course the screen there's blocking it out, but pretty cool. LED, it's much brighter, as you can tell. I'm getting closer there, so it shows up more of the well down there than before. Nice little ambient light. There's other modern luxury cars you can change the lights, the colors of the lights. This is a real simple fix, just plug and play. So pretty easy. Obviously it's just a modification that's not necessary, but I think it's cool. All right, please subscribe as always, guys, and take care.